each corners of the rectangle using the straight lines. And one of the important thing, once you make the grid curve, you always exit the 3D sketch from it. That means you have to make each and every grid curves in different names. Otherwise, it will be problem to apply the grid curve in loft boss. So for each of the grid curves, you have to exit the sketch so that it will make 3D sketch 2, 3D sketch 4, 3D sketch 4, like that. Here you can see it in the video. Okay. The other end also needed to make the 3D sketch for the guide curve. Okay, then exit sketch, then go to the features command manager and select the lofted bezier base tool. Here you can select the profiles first, as you want to loft in between the profile. There is sketch 3, sketch 1 and sketch 2. The order is like that. You can see the curve lines, and now you have to select the gate curve, as you already saw it in this model, like 3D sketch. You can see the each edges of the once you selecting each and every sketch, 3D sketch, you can select the edges between the lofted boss feature will changes in the model. You can unselect one 3D sketch and see how it differs. Thank you friends, bye bye.